Welcome to Teacher Chris TV. So for today's video, magkakaroon tayo ng isang video tutorial para sa pag-register sa isang free webinar. So ngayon, pumunta tayo muna sa page ng ICT Literacy and Competency Development Bureau or yung tinatawag nating ILCDB DICT. Yan, so i-scroll down lang natin para makita natin announcement nila. Yan. So, makikita natin dyan, 7 hours ago, sila ay may announcement. So, tingnan muna natin kung ano ang nilalaman ng announcement.
The UP College of Education is launching its free webinar series on education resilience and learning continuity in the time of COVID-19, which will be live streamed through our Facebook page and viewed offline through our YouTube channel. A total of 17 free webinars will be given based on the following. First is the 8 key strategies for education resilience and learning continuity in the time of COVID-19. 1. Prioritize teacher and student safety, health, and well-being. 2. Recalibrate curricular and assessment priorities. 3. Enact flexible learning options. 4. Empower families for home-based learning. 5. Lead for resilience and innovations. 6. Redesign the learning environment. 7. Evaluate education financing. 8. Create new knowledge. Join us on July 3, 7, and 10, 2020 for our webinar sessions 6 to 8. Webinar Session 6, Enacting Flexible Learning Options by Dina Joanna S. Ocampo, July 3, 2020, Friday, 10 a.m. You can register at this link. For the webinar Session 7, Using Indigenous Resources and Low Technologies for Remote Learning by Alinita N. Ke, July 7, 2020, Tuesday, 10 a.m. You can register at this link. For the webinar Session 8, Exploring Blended Learning Strategies by Alinita N. Ke and John Paul F. Maligalig, July 10, 2020, Friday, 10 a.m. You can register at this link. Moreover, as a follow-up to the UP College of Education's White Paper on Education Resilience and Learning Continuity, the college has also curated resources for remote learning which can be accessed here at this link. Thank you for your continued support.
Ayan, so nakita na natin yung at narinig nyo na yung mismong announcement. So ngayon, ito na yung tuturuan na namin kayo kung paano mag-register online gamit ang cellphone. Yan, so i-click lang natin yung link na ito. Yan, para sa webinar session 6, Enacting Flexible Learning Options by Dina Joanna S. Ocampo, July 3, 2020, Friday, 10 a.m. So, i-click lang natin yung link na to, yung tiny.cc webinar session 6. Yan, so click lang natin. Hintayin natin ang lalabas. Okay, use data. Ayan, so makikita natin to. So, here is the event, Webinar Session 6, Enacting Flexible Learning Options. Our speaker is Dina Joanna S. Ocampo, Doctor of Philosophy. Schedule July 3, 2020, 10 a.m. So, there's a note. Your responses will be kept strictly confidential and will be used for the registration process. If you agree to participate, please provide the following data required below. So, kailangan natin ng email address. So, halimbawa, okay. gmail.com. Okay, next. Complete name. Christopher E. Sanchico. Okay, next. Social application. So, tayo ngayon ay nasa DepEd. Yan. So, submit. Yan. So, pag nakasubmit na tayo, naklik na natin yung submit, makikita nyo na sa dulo, thank you for your registration. Please tune into our Facebook page for the live streaming of the webinar session. So, yan. Madali lang pala mag-register gamit ang cellphone. So, sana nakatulong po sa inyo. Pwede na po tayong mag-register online gamit lang po ang cellphone natin. So,